Hi guys, it's Amy from Nail Polish Baby 90 and welcome to today's video. Today I am here with an unboxing and review of Mani Lola for March 2018. I've been with this subscription since it started in November. I subscribed instantly as soon as I saw this coming and I have loved every single box so far. Value for money is amazing. If you haven't heard of Mani Lola, unfortunately it is a UK only subscription service which offers you nail care items and mainstream nail polishes. This costs £20 a month plus £3 shipping, and I think it comes out normally about the 16th, 17th of the month. This month there was a loose Mother's Day theme to the box and they did try and get the box out, well they did get the box out early, but they were trying to get it to everybody before Mother's Day as an extra treat. I got mine after Mother's Day, but I still got it earlier than what I would do any other month. So I think it was a really nice effort for them to do that, and they did also throw in some extra goodies this month as well as the items. So let's have a look and see what's in the March edit. Like I say, I think there was a loose Mother's Day theme. To me, the colours of the nail polish are all transitioning. They're going from the wintry shades into the spring, and I think the Mother's Day theme is more that it comes out for Mother's Day, because our Mother's Day is in March, rather than these are colours that mum should wear, because wear whatever colours you want, that's what I do. So like I say, we have 6 items in this month's box. This is the packaging if you haven't seen it, and if you haven't seen, I will try and remember to make a playlist and link that down below if you want to get an idea of what we've got in previous boxes. So we'll start with the 2 extra items that I believe were in everybody's box. The first one is a set of sticky notes, and they have the Mani and Lola logos on them there. And this for me specifically, because I am somebody that swatches and I write notes about polishes or what ones I'm going to swatch next, this is going to come in real handy for me. If you're not somebody that does that and you just like nail polish and you don't review or anything, you can use this for shopping lists and everything. So I think it's a really nice just extra goodie that I think is just nice. I liked it. And also I got a little one of the OPI Avo Juice. This is in the scent Coconut Melon. I have tried Avo Juice before. It's a highly scented hand cream, and this is a great travel size one, so I will be putting this in my handbag at some point. But just be prepared that if you haven't tried Avo Juice before, that they are really strong scented. Sometimes I think the one that I've got already is almost too scented. I don't know, that's all down to personal preference, but that was just another little extra. On to the 6 polishes. I will review them as they have in orders. They order them 1 to 6, so let's go in the order they say. Number 1 on the list this month is this huge bottle of Essie Apricot Cuticle Peel. The RP for this is £13, so it's a prepping item. They say prep your nails for a flawless manicure with apricot oil infused peel that will safely and efficiently break down the skin area of the cuticles. Apply 2 to 3 drops on each nail, wait for 15 seconds and wipe away. I've never tried this before. I'm not sure if this is the only size this comes in, or whether it comes in a small bottle as well and this is the large size. But this is a huge item. I probably should start using some sort of cuticle balm, or not, you know, like a cuticle remover, something like that, because I don't at the moment. So I'm probably going to give this one a go. I'm definitely going to give this a go. I need to. So that was the first item. The second item was the Avoplex hand cream by OPI. Now this is a much more high intensity for dry skin. This is what this is aimed at, more than just a normal hand cream. So this is what it looks like inside of the box. So it calls itself a high intensity hand cream, and it's hydrating, helps address the needs of severely overworked hands and nails, increases hydration, flexibility and resilience, and this retails for £12.50. so with the first 2 items you have your money back already, so everything else obviously is a bonus from now on. So let me see, what else does it say about Avoplex? Anything else? It says it's an award-winning Avoplex formula and it's got avocados in it. We should have got that from the fact that it said Avo. So that was item number 2. Then we have 4 full-size mainstream polishes, which is amazing. The first one is by OPI and it's called 2 Can Do It If You Try. I believe this came out in the Brazil collection, which is from a couple of years ago now, and I had the opportunity to buy this a few times. I've seen it on some websites and I've always passed it up. However, I love this. I think that in the bottle it looks quite bright, quite orange, but when I put it on my nails it kind of just looked more coral and more of a bright pastel opposed to a bright orange that I kind of got from the bottle. Because even when I opened the drawer up and I saw this, I went, I bet it's that toucan polish. I said that to myself because I just knew instantly. So they're saying that OPI retails for £13 and this one was completely opaque in 2 for me. So that third product was Two Can Do It If You Try by OPI. Item number 3 is one of the Orly breathables. This is the third Orly breathable that I've tried and the idea of these is that they are an all-in-one base, colour and top coat. So all-in-one. So I'm not sure, let me see what it says on here. So it's a breathable vegan nail treatment and colour all in one. It's a breakthrough combination formula that offers the strength boosting benefits of a treatment with colour inside. So it's obviously some sort of special formula that makes it, I guess, slightly more healthy for your nails. And this is actually in the shade Sheerluck. And when I saw that, I was like, no, I don't need any more sheer nail polishes at the moment. I feel like I've got a lot recently. I'm done. But this was not sheer at all. This was completely opaque in 2 coats. So it's this light baby pink colour, but there's also a very, very, very subtle golden shimmer to it. It's very different. I don't feel like I have anything like this at all. And I just really liked it. The gold shimmer is very subtle. But when I was applying it to my nails, I was like, is that a little bit of gold I see there? I really like that one. I think it's a great polish. And this one may be a good idea for a busy mum on the go. Definitely for me, this would be a good option when I don't have time to do base 2 coats and then a top coat. Something like these all-in-one combos works really well. So the Orly breathables retail for £11.50 and that was 2 coats of Sheerluck. We then have a Kukio or Kushio, I'm not really sure how I'm meant to pronounce it, polish, and this is called Quick as a Bunny, and this retails for £7. And I've only ever got Kushio polishes in subscription boxes, so I don't have a ton of them. This one is a really nice like putty grey colour. I'm guessing it might have come out in a spring collection because Quick as a Bunny makes me think like Easter Bunny, and it is like a bunny rabbit kind of, potentially a bunny rabbit kind of colour. This did take 3 coats because it is more of a sheer white based polish, but I liked it. I wasn't in love with it, but I liked it. So that was Quick as a Bunny by Kushio. And the last palette is from China Glaze, and these retail for £7, and this is from the brand new Chic Physique collection that has just launched for spring. And this is in the shade Pretty Fit. So it is a pinky raspberry colour, very berry-ish, where it's pink but it's warm toned and red toned. I really like this one actually, and I'm not always the biggest fan of pink, and this did get completely opaque in 2 too. I put thick coats on. I could see where this may be, if you do thin coats you might want to do 3 thin, but for me I slapped on 2 thick coats and I got it opaque. So the last one was called Pretty Fit by China Glaze. So that is everything in the March edit for Mani and Lola. Again, very impressed. Last month was the first month that I'd got no doubles that I already had in my collection, and I don't have any of these. I also want to give them another thumbs up for the fact that they are including brand new collections, because I know that there are some people out there, and myself included, that can't afford to buy all of these polishes as they get released brand new. It's just too expensive, and most of the time with mainstream collections I wait for them to be reduced and go down in price. So having this option of having them immediately and as a bargain set in a box is a great thing. Let me know down below what you're thinking of this month's March box for Mani and Lola. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you soon.